Hello and welcome to the Cooking Academy. My name's Kumud Gandhi and I'm delighted to introduce you to the beginner's cooking class. Cooking is mostly about confidence and it's a learned experience. And if you haven't spent much time in a kitchen before, I know that it can be quite daunting. So this class is designed to help you overcome that. Whether you're a complete beginner or whether you're looking to refine your cooking skills, this class is designed to be a friendly and safe place so that you can develop some basic cooking skills, some knowledge and some confidence so that you can know your way around the kitchen with some staple ingredients and equipment. Our classes are really small, so there's just a maximum of 8 people, which means we can give you our time and attention to help to build your confidence. We ensure that everyone receives the support and guidance they'll need. And in this one-day class, we'll take you through and develop some knife skills so that you can slice, dice and chop confidently and safely and quickly so that cooking becomes fun rather than a chore. We'll also teach you how to stir fry, saute, boil, poach and demystify some of those jargon so that we can help you to make it more simple. We're going to also give you plenty of hints and tips along the way throughout the day. Our classes take place in a large purpose-built kitchen, so there's no intimidating industrial equipment. And our principle is really simple. We want to start by focusing on teaching simple but delicious recipes to build your skills so that you can just easily replicate them at home and gain that practical knowledge that you need. We're also going to tell you a little bit about the nutritional benefits of the herbs and spices so that you can start practicing at home, because we firmly believe that food shouldn't just be nutritious but also delicious, so that we can get you into the rhythm of cooking food that you're going to enjoy. It doesn't matter whether you're just starting out or even if you're in your 70s and just looking to learn some new skills. We want you to embrace the kitchen and just become really confident about what you're doing. And our beginner's cookery class is here to give you that confidence. Click on the link below and join us for this exciting cooking journey. And share this with other people so that everyone can enjoy the cooking for you, for your health, for your family, and just know that you can master this skill.